See, networking is indispensable now. Previously, the phone were talked as a luxury. If you have a mobile, say 10 years back, that was a luxury. But now, when you say 15 years back, now when you have a phone, it's a desire, it's a necessity actually. So it's indispensable. If you lose a phone, you will be hurt more than if you lose money, right? So in this case, when we talk about the present scenario, networking is indispensable. It has its roots everywhere now. So what makes this networking so important? What are the advantages of networking? First of all, if we learn the advantages of networking, then we understand why we need networking. First is resource sharing, files and peripherals. Now this networking or network will enable you to share files or data with each other. Say you have an organization with different departments, say situated across the globe. Now you can just place, you can send, you can locate different data at different places, and everyone would be able to share, see, talk. Okay, so software can be installed. If you have a software, say it is the buying license is quite high. So how to cope up with this? You can install a software at central position, allow everyone to use it. So you are actually saving the money. Then sharing peripherals. You say you have an organization, I must say, let us take an example, say 50 computers you have. Now you have 50 computers, what you have to do? One computer, one printer, one computer, one scanner, and there will be 50 printer scanner without networking. But if you have networks, you can just have a high-end printer, a very good scanner, and a high-capacity hard disk. These are connected to the network. So everyone, 50 computers can deal with this, can utilize these resources, thereby reducing the cost very enormously. Sharing storage. When you have a single storage, say, and it is connected to your network, say it may be a SAN, it may be a NAS, storage area network, or network attached storage, this scenario becomes very cost effective. You can have multiple copies on different machines also. Improving communication. This is again the advantage of network. When again we'll take that scenario that different department in different branches across the globe, everyone could talk, everyone can communicate, they can send the data, they can communicate also. Like take the example of internet. Internet has made everything so easy. You can email, you can instant message, you can have chat rooms, you are using telephone, video and telephone calls, you are even talking in real time, video conferencing. Access to remote database. Now you can just log in to Make My Trip and book tickets without even worrying about what AirAsia is providing, what is going on with, say, any other scenario, means any other company. So how you are going to do this? How you are able to do this? This is because you are able to access the remote database. This is the remote control access program. You can also use to troubleshoot the problem from your system. You can just use TeamViewer and access to somebody's system without even going there and solve his problem. So you don't have to call, say, from a company, the system you have taken. You don't have to call him. You can just give a remote desktop and he may be able to solve your query. So there is one more aspect. Every coin has two faces, good and bad. So what is good? Too many goods for networking. But somewhere, disadvantages are also there. First is your threat to data. If someone, he is unauthorized, he may steal or corrupt the data. He may even pass some viruses and worms. And this thing can hamper not one but the system which are connected. And one more thing, you need a specialist, because if you are making a small network, you can set up, but if you are making a large network, then you need sophistication. Then there needs to be some network administrator who is going to take care, because things may sometime you need his help sometime, you know. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying.